Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Andy. Today we are going to be doing a cute little tight try on. I'm going to be trying on the Calzedonia Essential Ultra Sheer Tights. These are them. These are the 8 Denier Nude 11. I think that is how you go over the color of them, but I'm not positive. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. I am wearing this cute little 70s dress today. I thought it'd be super cute with some tights on. So these tights are supposed to be lightweight, very sheer, and give off that your legs but better type style. Let's see if they pass the Hooters girl tights check. Yes, I was a Hooters girl, and yes, the tights there are the best tights I have ever worn. They make your legs look so good. I miss them, I'm not gonna lie. Today, I'll be pairing the tights with this super cute floral 70s print halter dress. It's hard to see the halter. Ta-da! That was gifted to me by one of you guys, because why not mix this cute little dress with some tights? I feel like it'd be the perfect little outfit together. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so let's try these on. I have these tights on, and let me tell you, they are definitely not nude unless I got the wrong color. They definitely are not as stretchy as my Hooters tights and holding as well. Like the Hooters tights will be tiny, but you stretch them on and they suck everything in, I swear. It is giving like a cute, like, dark tight color, barely there type look. I wouldn't say these tights are particularly nude on me, but like I said, I might have ordered them incorrectly. It was my first time putting in a Calzedonia order. They lack the stretch. I think they do look good with this outfit though. It is pretty cute. Although I wish I had more of like a brown nudie-ish color. Let me show you guys a little more up close. So here are the tights. They definitely are lightweight. When I first took them out of the packaging, I was a little nervous. They felt kind of like rough almost, like those rough sponges you use to get food off of a pan. But while they're on, they really don't bother my legs at all. They are light, they are airy, they are very definitely sheer. These tights are definitely more of a matte finish instead of a glossy finish. It doesn't overpower this cute little outfit, and hopefully they hold up pretty well. We will have to test that out. When I say these tights are lightweight, I mean they are extremely lightweight, and they won't provide any kind of warmth if it was winter. I know sometimes people wear tights because it's cold out. These definitely aren't doing that. They do have a little bit of shine, actually. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I do like that they aren't suffocating me. Sometimes tights can feel just a little too thick. So overall, I do really like these tights. My Hooters tights, I think, make my legs look better. And there are definitely some weird kind of runs already in them, and they're brand new. But I got them on sale, so I can't complain too much. And they are said to be a brand that holds up very well, so I'm hoping I get good use out of them. They definitely are simple yet classic and can make any outfit just a bit cuter and just a bit classier as well. I could definitely see myself wearing these nighttime, like a little formal dinner with a cute little dress or short skirt. They also definitely would not overpower the outfit. What do you guys think of these tights? Let me know what you guys think of these tights in the comments below, as well as what you guys would like to see me try on next, even if it's not tights. Also, make sure you guys like this video, otherwise I'll cry, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Mwah.